what is called dream closet. And there is 4 complete looks. This is like a casual dress, and this is like a diver or something, and this is a doctor, and this is a pop star. Yeah. And it has rotating clothing rack, full leg mirror, multiple storage spaces, workstation, and this is what it looks like. And these are the 4 looks. Now let's open the closet. The closet. Whoa! I think this is the result when we open it. Yay! Whoa! So this is the Barbie. This is the doctor's uniform. This is like, what do you call this again? Casual dress, clothes. And this is the swimsuit. Sticker sheet. And the coat. A ring and a lot of hangers. A bag. A stethoscope. Shoes. Stethoscope. A bag. And shoes. Pair of shoes. Flippers. And a computer. A laptop. And what? I think this is for the eyes and ears. And this is the sunglasses and goggles. Start assemble. And tada! This is the rest that we assembled. This is the stand. And these are the clothes hanging here. Look at the bag. And look, guys. Whoa! So cool. So cool. And this is where the shoes are. And look, she can even spin. This is the workstation. And there's the mirror. And this is the nothing. We're gonna open it. And of course, and we place the stickers over here. So nice. And over there, the goggles and the necklace are here in this place. That's the rest. Let's play. Start. There you go. Let's just what she looked like on her. And this is what she looked like on her swimsuit. A star. And this is what she looks like on her casual dress. See? That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.